Top 3 things not to do if you ever want to sell your house. Number 1. Don't hide problems in the home. A fresh set of eyes will notice things around your home that you may have stopped noticing years ago. Fixing obvious problems will increase the chances of getting an offer at the right price. If you aren't willing to correct cosmetic problems prior to selling, be honest and transparent to potential buyers about what needs repairing. Number 2. Don't over-personalize the space. Set the stage in your home to allow potential buyers to imagine themselves in your space. Please hide your family photos, knickknacks, and personal memorabilia. Tone down distracting decor, bright colors and anything else that would divert attention from the most important thing a buyer should be focusing on, the space itself. Number 3. Don't show up during showings. Please let the real estate agents handle on their own. Buyers will benefit from a little freedom to imagine themselves in the space.